G'day, I'm Ralph Schwarz. Welcome to the Geoterrics channel. Today I thought I'd do an unboxing and a first impressions. I got myself the Black Wolf McKinley 85. I've previously used Black Wolf. Quite happy with their products for a travel bag. I've got the Cuba with the backpack, the day pack on it. I thought I'd give this a go because it was cheap. It was marked down to half price on the Black Wolf website, and I thought I'd give it a go. What's arrived is exactly what I'm holding here, still with the tags on. I have actually taken the liberty of cheating a little bit and putting some packaging in so you can see it rather than a flat pack. It's looking a little more professional. I hope you appreciate that, Black Wolf. I love your stuff, by the way. Material, fantastic. Straps everywhere you want them. So how about we start? This is a hybrid travel pack as well as a hiking pack. So basically what you've got here, you've got the traditional top-down stuff method of a hiking pack. Don't know why, but you've also got the ability to use this handle, and you've got a zip on both sides, and you can open the guts up like a traditional travel bag. So that's the reason I bought this, is because I travel a lot for my work, and also planning to do a lot more hiking again, and so I bought it for those reasons. Another couple of standard industry features are a nice little opening here for iPod. There's no corresponding pocket in the backpack. It's actually in the hood section, so the top section here. So you just feed your the wires. The other feature is a little opening here for a hydration bladder, and there's a little advertising here on their labels to suggest that you can buy one of theirs. I don't have one of theirs, but I do have a couple of spares. The other thing is just the use of, and the design and use of strapping is just fantastic. I love these double redundancy strapping here, so you can put one lot, say your bedroll, underneath here, and you can put your stocks in here. You've got these side pockets where you could put that, or a tripod. I plan to use this for some of the longer day film shoots I do on the walks of Canberra, or the walks of Kosciuszko, or the walks that's coming near you. The fact is, I put the tripod down there. I use the batteries and various things. I put them in the top compartment. I actually might do a video on a gear bag. Everyone seems to be doing them, so I might as well join the daisy train and give you one of those, and just to give you an idea of how I pack my gear. Also has a fairly handy rain cover, high-vis. I wear high-vis for work, so I don't have a problem with that. Some people do, but honestly, if you're in bad weather, probably a good idea. That's a handy feature. Most decent backpacks have got that. But what I'm liking about the strapping system, the carrying system, is the adjustable height. So you whack that into off lock, and then you can, with these straps, you can pull it up or down depending. I've got a fairly long frame, so I'm inclined to put it further to the top and then press the lock. Once I actually put that on, with no weight in it, I don't really know, but it doesn't feel bad. It feels like it's a good height. I'll look at the video later and see if it is. I'll suck in and put the strap on. See, that's the way it goes. It all just feels quite snug. It feels like a hiking pack as opposed to a little floppy of a travel pack. So the hiking packs are, as if you know them, they're a lot more robust and a lot tighter. I also like the internal and the external support system here, I can feel inside there's some very sturdy aluminium bars, similar to what I've got. Presumably, I'm not going to take it apart to the travel pack, the cuber I've got, so I'm quite happy with that. Look, all round, in general, I think this is a fantastic pack. It's got some cosmetic features as well. This divided waist strap looks so sexy. It's actually it's quite well done. It's a good looking pack. I don't know why it's on special. I'll get back to you in a couple of months if it's crap. I'll soon tell you. But I might give you a bit of a field review as well and see how it's travelling out in the field. Thanks for watching.